Have you ever felt that you just want to be able to use arbitrage trading and have a trustworthy, regulated platform all in one place powered by AI? These days, in 2026, I really think it's important that you're making use of these kinds of platforms. Well, look no further, because in today's video, we're going to talk about one. That all being said, when it comes to financial products and services, whether it's crypto or traditional finance, you should always do your own research before investing, as these videos are purely for entertainment and should never be taken as financial advice. Let's get into it. All right, everyone. So we're here on AXISTRADE.ai, and I have to say, right from the start, it's a very sleek looking website. I like the design. I do like what they've got to offer. These exchanges that now have these AI integrations are simply going to be much further ahead of the game than many of their competitors. So in a nutshell, this is a great place to trade. You've got the different sections up at the top. As we can see, we're on the home section now. We can also scroll over to the About Us section. So there are plenty of reasons why you might want to consider using AXISTRADE, and it's pretty straightforward. They're currently made up of more than 140 professionals with many years of experience in the financial industry. So right there, that's exactly what you want. Their extensive experience, combined with support for well over 30 languages, makes AXISTRADE the broker of choice for traders of all levels anywhere. But why choose them, though? I mean, AXISTRADE promotes sustainable workforce development through a wide range of cultures and approaches, your needs with openness to cultural, national, ethnic and religious diversity, among other things. So there are plenty of reasons to actually go ahead and choose them, whether it's their integrity, their innovation, or their empowerment as well. Now, exchange arbitrage is also a major feature that really attracted me to AXISTRADE. So, exchange arbitrage without the withdrawal. So with exchange arbitrage, basically you can make simultaneous trades between exchanges without having to move funds from one exchange to another. So this is absolutely huge. You can actually connect two exchanges that have funds on them and enable exchange arbitrage in your index settings, all right? So once that's all set up, you can basically search for arbitrage opportunities. So normally, the way arbitrage works is you might have to be logged into 3 or 4 different exchanges, all open at the same time. It gets confusing, it gets expensive. You don't have to do that with AXISTRADE. It's all set up in one place here with AXISTRADE. So that's a huge benefit to actually using them. On top of that, you've got your market arbitrage, which has also been updated, as well as arbitrage between multiple exchanges and pairs, which we mentioned earlier. So exchange arbitrage itself is a hugely positive feature. And no matter what level of trader you are, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, advanced, or depending on how much money you can put down and trade with, they've got different account types that are all covered. So as you can see, for example, if you're just going with a standard account, your leverage is 1 to 10, for instance. So they're not going to give you 20 times leverage on a standard account, which I think is fair enough, all right? You've got the different types there as well. So for example, with the standard and bronze accounts, you don't get access to live events. If you want that, which I would personally recommend because it will allow you to benefit from that education, you'll need to go for at least the silver account. So that will give you the green tick for access to live events. And so if you're an experienced trader and you want that 200 times leverage, then you'll need to go for the premium account. And while trading is available from standard deposits at $250, they recommend starting with a bronze account to begin enjoying the account benefits. Standard accounts will receive an account manager for a trial period of 2 weeks. Get involved with the bronze account using the link below and you'll get those 2 weeks with an account manager. And the fact that the Contact Us section is, again, right here at the top, really easy to find. You've got the call centre, you've got the email address, the actual address itself in London, Canary Wharf, and you've got all the information you can enter here with your requests. That leads us to ask the question, can a brand new trader like yourself, if you're a beginner watching this, navigate this platform easily? I don't think it could be any easier. You've got everything there. Home, About Us, the arbitrage, what they do specifically, the account types, and the Contact Us section. So it's extremely easy to navigate and understand. And I think there are plenty of reasons why traders of all levels might consider using AXISTRADE. Again, the big one is the exchange arbitrage. Simply the fact that it's all on one platform. They've got the best features as well. So whether it's crypto, forex, different performance tools you can use, indices, commodities, shares, you've got it all here with AXISTRADE. So it really is a sort of all-inclusive platform for all traders, no matter what level you're at, even if you're just starting out. And if you are just starting out, again, you've got the account types. So even if you're going over to start on that bronze account, again, there's a massive trial period of 2 weeks, but you're also going to get that account manager who will help you start educating yourself on basically where to go. Because let's be honest, finance, trading, crypto, whatever it is, as a beginner, it's really complicated. So you're going to need a bit of education and support to actually get started. And I think AXISTRADE is a good place to provide that for you. No matter what level the trader is at, there's something there for everyone. And just to go back to the account types for a moment, again, they really do suit whatever kind of trader you are. If you're a complete beginner with no experience at all and feeling a bit nervous about getting started, come and get involved with a standard account. It's really easy to do. If you're a bit more advanced, then start looking at bronze and silver, because as we've said, you'll be getting that support from the account manager. Obviously, if you're really experienced, you can access that 100, 150, even 200 times leverage right here. And also, these are really important as well, these actual commission discounts. So 25% there for gold, 35% for platinum, and 50% for premium in terms of the actual trading commissions. That's absolutely massive as well. And don't worry though, because if you do need customer support, you're getting a green tick for customer support no matter which account you choose. And especially nowadays, I can't stress enough how important it is to have multi-asset access all on one platform. Like we said, Forex, performance tools there. Crypto, CFDs, commodities, indices, the CFDs themselves and the shares. So having all of that in one place to move between is extremely important. So when it comes to the regulatory framework, it's really important to use a broker that actually follows those regulations. And again, there's the contact us section. So make sure you do your research into AXISTRADE, okay? Don't just jump in blindly, and you should be doing that with any platform. You can go in and ask them about the regulatory framework they're operating under and any other questions you might have. They're just there, just a click away. Also, the security when you're actually investing and leaving funds on a platform is extremely important as well. So again, after doing your own research, of course, AXISTRADE is a place you might want to consider. There are a lot of exchanges. You need to be careful where you leave your funds on those exchanges. And again, it might not necessarily be safe. You know, they could be vulnerable to hacking, all sorts of things. But you can rest assured that AXISTRADE are making every effort to keep your funds safe through the security framework they've put in place. They have their security protocols and data protection in place, so protecting your own personal information, that's all in place. And as we mentioned, they do have customer support from Monday to Friday. And this is really important because, you know, it's not just some AI support. As a new trader, you want to feel that if you've got any issues, questions, queries, anything at all, you are listened to and you actually have the ability to reach out. That's why, again, I really like that 2-week availability on the bronze tier, where you get a real agent who can actually help you, almost like an account manager. I think that's really, really effective as well. But even beyond that, even if you're on the basic standard account, you can still reach out and actually get some support when needed. Also, over here on Trustpilot, you can see AXISTRADE with a good rating of 4.6 out of 41 reviews, all right? So, as we can see here, there are some really good 5-star reviews here that we can actually look at, and I would encourage you to go onto Trustpilot, all the links will be in the description of this video, and actually read through a lot of the genuine reviews that real, verified people have left. So it's all here for you to read through. Also, it's pretty cool to see on Yahoo Finance that there's some strong media coverage here as well. This is an article from 4th Gene. It's a 2-minute read from 2026 about how AXISTRADE achieved remarkable user growth milestones. So again, I'm not going to read through the entire article, but basically you can actually go through here and read this as well, regarding its expanding global presence, user engagement and retention, the evolution of the platform in terms of arbitrage and how it stands out and differentiates itself, and also its commitment to innovation. So again, all of this will be in the description, and I highly encourage you to read through it as well. Similarly, we've also got one from Business Insider, looking into AXISTRADE's market expansion and user acquisition trajectory as well. You can see here another excellent article from London, United Kingdom as well. And here's another article from Bazinga, dated 8th June 2026 from Finance Wire, discussing the advanced account protection features that have been introduced and the investment in next generation cybersecurity infrastructure in terms of security, and just how important it is for a platform involved in finance in 2026, especially with AI. It can be both a strength and a weakness. The strengths include compliance and data protection standards, the commitment to user trust and platform integrity, a plan for future security developments, and all this information and more about AXISTRADE all coming from these third-party reviewers. So all in all, the fact that AXISTRADE has a lot of articles written about it, plenty of third-party reviews, you can see they've got a really strong USP when it comes to arbitrage, the different account types and everything else, including the easy-to-use interface and so on. I think it's a really cool platform to potentially get started with, no matter what level of trading you're at. And I've really enjoyed going through and having a look at the actual exchange in today's video. We do hope you enjoyed today's video about AXISTRADE. If you do want to go ahead and sign up, the link will be right at the top of the video description. Go ahead and jump onto that now. And also make sure you always do your own research before investing. And if you did enjoy today's video, then please smash the like button, subscribe for more, and comment below what you think about AXISTRADE and which potential tier you might be signing up for. And hit that notification bell as well, because you don't want to be missing out on these important kinds of videos. So wherever you're watching from, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.